Hi everyone, it's Tim Topham here, and in today's video we're going to unpack a problem that I know a lot of teachers face, and it's to do with YouTubers. Yes, you know those students, the ones who, despite all the work you do with them in lessons, all they really want to do is go on YouTube and learn a tutorial for a song that they can play that they don't have to read the music for. Now, take a deep breath, relax. I'm going to help you out with this problem in today's video, so keep watching and I'll tell you how I approach YouTubers in my studio.
Okay, so the first thing to keep in mind when it comes to YouTubers is that YouTube is not your enemy as a music teacher. YouTube can be a huge benefit to students and you in both motivation and also the things that students can learn. So hold on for a second before you get worried about things. Stay calm is my first suggestion. So let's say a student has come into a lesson, they're really excited, you're excited to see them because of all the work that you did last lesson on that reading piece that you're really passionate about. And they've come back in and they've said they haven't really practiced, but they learnt this video game piece on a YouTube tutorial. So first things, stay calm, okay? Stay calm. What I want you to do is ask them to play whatever it is that they have learnt. They're going to be really passionate about it. They're going to have probably put a lot of time into it. So please sit back, listen, and observe the music. And as you're listening, obviously, you want to praise and encourage the student when they finish and thank them. Wow, you've done such a good job. That must have taken so long to do. I'm really, really impressed. How long did it take to do? Can you show me the tutorial? You can show a whole lot of interest like that. While they're playing, I want you to observe as well things that you might be able to comment on. So most often the issue that I find with students when they have learnt something themselves on YouTube is that they will be using the most extraordinarily awkward fingering choices. So that's something to look out for. Have a listen to whether they've got any sense of articulation dynamics or phrasing in there. Are they using multiple parts of the piano? Could they add pedal? Would certain sections work if you added an introduction before them or played them up higher or lower on the piano? These are the kinds of observations that I want you to make. And then when you've praised them and you've explored it with them and you've had a listen and you've told them how great it is, I want you to offer them some suggestions. You may not know the piece of music. I often don't know the music that the student has played. So one thing you could do, of course, is have a listen to the original online to get a sense of how good their playing is of that piece if you're unsure. But the skill that you have as a music educator is that you have years and years and years of performance instruction, listening, interpretation. You have the knowledge to be able to give them lots of suggestions for ways that they can improve what they're playing. As I mentioned before, things like finger choices. You might be able to improve the flow and the speed at which they can play something by changing the finger choices. Maybe you can help them add interest to it by adding some dynamic changes. These are the kinds of things that you are fully qualified to do and will find that you can really build rapport and connection with your student by showing them that you're interested in them, that you're interested in the music that they're learning, that you have enjoyed hearing what they've played, and you can offer suggestions for them. The other thing that you can do is potentially offer some expansion activities. Could they add to their arrangement? Now, this will depend very much on how long the piece is, how much of it they're playing. What I sometimes find is students will just pick a little bit of a song or a video game theme or a TV show theme and just play that and be really happy with just that little bit that they've learned. So could they expand that somehow? Could they play it twice? And the first time up high on the piano and the second time down low on the piano? Or could they add an introduction or an ending to that piece that uses the same set of chords or that uses the motif that they really enjoy?
Well, I hope you found that video helpful. If you've got questions about YouTubers, the YouTube generation, teaching teenagers, or anything to do with today's topic, then please just pop a comment down below. I will be only too happy to help. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos that you'd like me to address or music you'd like me to show you how to teach, then again, let me know below. Look forward to speaking to you in the next video. Hang on a sec, just before you go, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel on YouTube, then please click the link below and you can also check out one of my other popular videos over here. And if you're a music teacher looking for help modernizing your teaching and growing your studio business, then just check out the link up the top here for information about how you could benefit as a member of my InnerCircle piano teaching membership community.